Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Euro Truck Simulator 2 game not launching, crashing, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So the very first method what you need to do is to simply you need to click on play option, and here you will see several options are available: play Euro Truck Simulator, then launch with DirectX, launch with OpenGL, and launch in safe mode. So what you need to do is you simply need to select launch with DirectX and then click on play button, and then check if the game is launching or not. Even you can try the first one and check if it's not launching, then select launch with DirectX and then try to play the game and check whether it's opening or not. If not, now next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to the library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see. If it doesn't resolve, remove this and move to the next solution. The next solution is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now check for the game. Now here is the game application. Simply select it, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, launch Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, click on allow and up through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. Search for the game. Here is the game. If it's not listed, click on allow another app. Now click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, then click on OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, search for task manager. Now under process tab, you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. So select it, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the app from the background. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA, Shadowplay, MSI, Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option and this will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus programs. So if you are having any antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So if it's so, then it's suggested to check the settings of the particular program or disable it to play the game. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. The website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link. After the link is downloaded, you have to open it. Now you will get repair or install option. So click on repair option and wait for some time. Now after you get a setup successful message, close this. Now restart your system once and after restarting, again log into the game and check whether you can play it. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, then click on advanced, click on change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, then you are suggested to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. So here is the game application. Select the game, add it to the list over here. Now it's been added. Click on the arrow icon. Now click on high performance under GPU preference, and then click on the game to play and check whether it's launching or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to the Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once, then launch Steam and reinstall Euro Truck Simulator 2 game once again, and click on the play button to check whether it's launching or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.